Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which looks similar to this one and should come provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray which is located on the top of the device right over here. From here, push the pin in, and you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to grab it and yoink it out. Now on the tray, at least on the top side, you have space for your SIM card. I'm gonna place that right here. Needs to clip in. Come on. There we go. If you flip it over, the card should stay in place. Now below that, we have our space for the second SIM card, which you'd place sideways, or SD card, which again should clip into place. Both cards should lay flush on the tray, and when you flip them over, they should stay on the tray. Anyway, from there, insert it back into your device, and both of those cards should start working right away. Now, for me, the SIM card that I have inserted will not work because it is deactivated. It has been deactivated for some time already, so nothing should happen when I pop it in. As you can see, it did find reception, and it just gives me like, nope, you shouldn't have reception, so here we go. Oh, it's still trying to find it. I guess it is working here. Now, that being said, this card should be deactivated, so I'm not sure why it's actually working right now, but in any case, again, as you can see, it disappears again. So, in any case, this is how you'd insert your SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.